Hi friends, welcome to Exams Daily YouTube channel. So today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest job requirement notification which was released by RRVUNL. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. So RRVUNL is nothing but Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Utpan Nigam Limited. So now they have released a notification. So now they have released 3 different notifications for 3 different posting. So we can see one by one. So the first notification is for Junior Engineer 1 in the field of Electrical, Mechanical, Civil and more other, and Junior Chemist and Informatics Assistant. So for these posting they are recruiting, and if you are interested and if you are eligible, you can apply for this posting, and online applications are invited for this appointment of this posting. So here they have mentioned the name of the company and the field and the area of the operation also, so you can check through it. So here they have given the details of the vacancies based upon the categories, so you can check through it. So for your convenience, we have given this PDF link in the description box, so you can check through it. So totally, that is for all the 3 notifications, there are totally 1000 plus vacancies are there. So comparing to previous years, it is a large number of vacancies. So please don't miss this opportunity. So there are a lot of vacancies, right? So for this is itself for junior assistant. So here they have given the remuneration. So for junior engineer, the maximum is 33,800 and the fixed remuneration is 23,700, and for junior chemist fixed is 23,700, and the minimum pay scale for the matrix in basic pay is 33,800, the same one. And for informatics assistant, the remuneration has been given, so you can check through it. And here they have given the educational qualification for each and every posting. So based upon the disciplines, although they have given the education qualification. So for electrical, you should hold a full-time 4 years graduation degree in engineering, and you should be a BEg graduate only in some of the disciplines. So they have also mentioned the disciplines, so please check through it. And for each and everything they have given. For mechanical means you should possess mechanical related engineering degree, and for civil means civil related degrees like that, so you have to check through it. So for junior chemist, you should hold 2 years full-time graduation degree in chemistry or 4 years full-time graduation degree in chemical engineering. So if you are possessing that, you can apply for this posting. And for informatic assistant, you should possess full-time degree in computer science. So additionally to these things, they have also asked the candidate must possess working knowledge of Hindi written in Devangri script and the knowledge of Rajasthani culture also. So if you are possessing these things, you can apply for this. So there they have mentioned the physical fitness and some of the things, and here also mentioned the age limit. So the minimum age limit is 21 years and the maximum is 40 years. So for specific categories, the age criteria is changing, that is the age limit criteria is changing, so you can check through it. And additionally to that, relaxation is also be provided for you, so you can check through it. Okay. And reservation is also there for these postings, so please check this PDF before doing your application procedure, and please don't make any mistake while doing your application procedure. So that's it, and the online application link will be activated from tomorrow, that is from 24 February 2021, and it will be ending on 16th March 2021. So in between, in these days, you have to do your application procedure. So please do your application procedure as soon as possible, and please don't waste your time also. And lastly, they have given the step-by-step procedure for your application procedure. So please check through this and please read this PDF twice to thrice. So that's it about this notification for the postings of junior engineer, chemist and informatics assistant. So we can check another 2 postings. So here they have given the additional notification. So this is for the requirement of assistant engineer in state power companies. So it is for the posting of assistant engineer, and a lot of vacancies are there for this assistant engineering posting. So if you are an BE graduate, please don't waste this opportunity. And here they have given the distribution of vacancies as per the category wise, so you can check through it. So remuneration, so for this posting you will be getting 39,300 rupees per month as a remuneration, and after the probation training period is over, you will be having 56,100 rupees as your remuneration, and that is your salary. So it is a good pay scale level. And educational qualification based upon the disciplines, they have given the same disciplines and the same educational qualification, so you can check through it. So they have mentioned the age limit also. So the basic is 21 years and the maximum is 40 years based upon the category wise they have mentioned here. So you can check through it. And additionally to that, you will be having the relaxation and the reservation also, and you will be having upper age limit for some of the categories. So if you are belonging to that category, you can check through it. And reservation is also there for this specific category people, that is PWD, SC, ST and ex-servicemen. So if you are belonging to that categories, you can check through it. So the same starting and the ending date for that. So for all these posting, the online link, that is online registration link will be open from tomorrow, and it will be ending on 16th March 2021. So here they have given the procedure for doing your applications. So please read this PDF very carefully. So the application fees for this is 1,600. So this is for UR, that is General and EWS, 1,600 including GST, and for some other categories, that is SC, ST, BC, MBC, 1,400 rupees is the application fees. So please check through it. While doing your application procedure itself, you have to do your application fees also, payment of fees. So you have to be very aware of that. And you will be having written competitive examination, and you have to face that examination also. And choice of center once exercised by the candidate will be the final. So please be aware while doing your choice of your examination center. So here they have given for guidelines for the benchmark disabilities using a scribe. So please check through these things. So that's it about this notification. So this is for the requirement of assistant engineer. So we can see the other posting. So they have released the third notification. So this is for the requirement of accounts officer and personal officer. So 2 postings are there. So there are a lot of vacancies for this postings also, and based upon the company field and area of operation they have designated. So please check through it. And based upon category wise, they have designed the vacancies, that is the postings also. So you can check through it. So the minimum remuneration will be of 39,300 rupees per month, and the maximum level will be of 56,100 rupees, and allowances and other benefits will be provided for you as per the government rules. So they will be providing you that also. And educational qualification for these disciplines is changing. So you should possess any one of that is CA or ICWA, that is CMA, or else you should possess MBA of minimum 2 years duration from a recognized university, and or else you should have MCOM of minimum 2 years, and you should possess these qualifications, then only you can apply for this posting. And for personal officer, you should have a graduation degree from a recognized university with aggregate of 55% marks, and a master's degree in social works or MBA or postgraduate degree in personal management will be an additional preference will be given for you, and you should have minimum 2 years experience in industrial relations and management. So if you are possessing that, you can also apply for this. And here they have given the percentage of marks regarding for this. So you can check through it. And the age limit will be off. So the minimum of 21 years and the maximum of 40 years. And there are upper age limit and reservation are there for these postings. So we can check through it. So here they have given some of the details and guidelines regarding this. So we can check through it. And reservation is also there for the posting. So we can check through it. And the same thing, online application procedure will be starting from 24th February 2, and it will be ending on 16 March 2021. And here they have given some of the guidelines for doing your application procedure. So please read this PDF very carefully. And the same application fees for this also, 1,600 for you or general and AWS candidates, and 1,400 for SC, ST, BC, MBC and PWBD candidates. So check that. You have to pay your fees only through online mode, so please follow the instructions. So that's it about this notification also. So 3 different notifications has been issued by them, and a lot of vacancies are there, that is 1000 plus vacancies and different postings are there. So if you're eligible and if you're fulfilling the eligibilities, please do your application procedure as soon as possible, and please don't waste your time also, and please don't be lethargic. So last but not the least, all the very best and best of luck from our team for your success. So if you like this video and if you think this video is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.